How to trade meme coins on Balix.io. Complete tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I'll show you step by step how can we create account here, how can we deposit some crypto, and how can we trade meme coins easily. Also, we'll discover its navigation. So let's get started. Make sure to watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes. And the first important thing, we need to create account on Balix.io. And the easiest way is to use the link in description, because in this case you don't have to stay in a waitlist. As you can see, without the link you join a waitlist, and for early access you need to get access code or access link. And basically when you click on the link in description or in the pinned comment, you will be redirected to their Telegram bot, where you will receive this message like, congratulations, your SAS code has been redeemed, and now we can easily access platform to trade crypto. So just simply click on login button right up here inside of the Telegram, and then you'll be redirected to your Balix account. You'll automatically log in through your Telegram, and after that, technically you are ready to interact with crypto world on Balix. But the first thing you need to do, you need to create a wallet and also like deposit some crypto. And the easiest way is to go to the left side menu right up here and then click on a wallet manager. So as you can see, we have wallets here. Now I have a Solana wallet, and also we have some withdrawal wallets. So addresses where we will withdraw our crypto after we'll trade for a little. So technically we need to click on a new wallet right up here. And after that, a new wallet will be automatically created. So we have a couple of options here. We can see the crypto it was created for. We can also find the wallet address to deposit. We can make it primary. Technically, if you will create only one wallet, it will be automatically selected as a primary one. And also you can see private keys in order to access your wallet if you lose your access to the platform or something like this. So in my case, I don't need it, so I'm going to archive. I'm going to hide because I have the main wallet here, and also I've added my Binance Solana deposit address as a withdraw address for Balix.io. So if you're going to click on these wallet, we can see the right side menu where we can click on add funds. And now we can see our Solana address, so you can transfer crypto from other platforms with this QR code or with this address here. And as you can see, I have some Solana here, and it will be really fast. Your deposit will be processed easily, and then you can start trading. But for the future, let me show you how to withdraw some funds. So we can select our wallet, as you can see. We can click on withdraw, select our cryptocurrency from our main wallet here. We can select the amount, and let's say I want to withdraw like 10%. And we can select the address. In my case, I have the Binance here. Then just simply click on withdraw and everything will be processed. It usually takes like 1 minute and our withdrawal will be automatically processed. So this is the way how to add funds and withdraw your crypto. And now let me show you how can we trade it easily. So we firstly can filter our platform. We can click on chains, and here we can select different chains we are going to use. In my case, I mostly trade on Solana, so I only make it visible, and other platforms, other chains are invisible for me. We can make them visible if it's necessary, but in my case, I only use Solana. You can choose the necessary chain as for you. Let's click on start trading, and now we have two pages where we can find all the pairs we can trade. So we can go to new pairs, and here we can see a lot of them. So we can see time it was released like 17 minutes 7 seconds ago, and so on. We can see some information here, and this is the way of how to find a new tokens and new coins. But in my case, I mostly not use these page here, because as for me it's really easier to use a Pump Vision. So from this page we can trade Pump Fund and also Moonshot tokens. And let me show you what's the difference, because technically Boligs gives us a SaaS for trading meme coins from Pump Fund platform and also Moonshot. And we have a new creations here. We have about to graduate who reached like volume and market cap, and also we can see graduated. That means that they were listed on DEX Screener, so they have like higher potential probably. And in the new creations we can see them from the beginning. For example, this one was launched 2 minutes ago. It's like the copy of this one here, so it was like successful meme coin, and this one is his copy. We can find some basic information. It was released from Pump Fund. We can find their X, we can find Telegram, and so on. I always use so-called filters. So if I'm going to click on filter here, we can manage what will we see inside of these boxes. So I'm going to see Pump Fund tokens and also Moonshot tokens. And also I add these filters here. For volume, I add minimum of 4,000 and market cap between 4.5 and 15,000. As for me, it's really important to see tokens with these filters, because as for me, I think they have a higher potential. Also, we can add transactions, at least 4 for example, and token age less than 10 minutes as for me. So I try to find a new tokens which have a higher potential, and as for me it's definitely the best variant to trade with. So we can now open every single object here. For example, we can analyze, and let's say that okay, I would like to join this one here. Let's see what's going on. And we can see that these token looks really good. We can buy a little. We can see the information, current price, market cap, liquidity, big curve, and so on. Also, we can switch between orders. We can see what do we have here. Trades. So who bought, who sold these token. We can see all the holders and also amount. So I think it's really like important to see what's going on, to analyze, to get some data. And also, by the way, we can copy these stuff here and we can go to Pump Fund and to see directly. So we can see some discussions there, some messages by users, and so on. We can see top holders, positions, and history. And in the right side, we can interact with buy and sell. So interface here is quite the same as on every single platform. We can buy, we can sell. As you can see now, I don't have coins here, so I can only buy with Solana. We can use market or limit orders. So we can input the amount we're going to buy for. We can see the gas, we can see stats, and after that we can buy. So technically, yeah, that's all. We also have like explore folder here where we can find some token explorers like trading, gainers who gains their like numbers here, losers, and also resend, so the new tokens here. But as for me, I don't really use it a lot. I don't think it's really useful for traders. We also have the automation where you can add some rules. So according to your rules, probably it will buy and sell. So it looks like robots for trading. And also we have a portfolio where we can find all the information about our account, P&L, total revenue, total spend, and so on. So this is the way of how to interact with Ballix. Hope this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye, guys.